Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 23 of snowing through January with my minis. Through my minis in January. I don't know, it goes both ways. So welcome today. I am excited. I was able to find a 5, so we still have $7, but this guy is just bursting at the seams. We like to borrow Brian as our little resting place. So we're going to put $7 into our bank. So how are you doing today? How's your week been? Okay, we're taking our prop coins out. And let's see, where do we want to start? We are starting back here at number 7. All right. Scooching things around. I am so excited. I'm finding a little bit of decor for February. I'm going to try to keep it pretty basic, but got a little something. So, all right, we're going to start at number 7, and here we go. Number 7's getting 3. 8's getting 3. 9 is getting 1. I bet 10's getting 1. Ooh, 10 got 2. I like being proved wrong there. All right, so we're going back to 1. 1, 2, and 3. 2 is getting 1. Does that mean 3 is getting 2? Nope, 3 is getting 3. 4 is getting 2. Uh-oh. I don't know if we'll make it all the way around. 5's getting 2. That means 6 is getting 1. And we are going to leave the paper clip there. So we just barely got around. All right, so let's start at 1. 1 got, oh my goodness. 1 had a great thing happening. So 75 and 75 is $1.50 and 50 is $2. So 1 got $2 and it needed 25 cents. All right. So we finished this one for $2 and I don't even have the right prop coins. All right, so I'm gonna have to do math in my head in a second. All right, so let's get an extra. This is I'll Always Save. This will be $4. So let's see. This would be $1.25, but I already used 25 cents. So this would be $1. So we can do 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's $1. And then 75 cents. 1, 2, 3. All right. Super cute little one from I'll Always Save. And then 25 cents is for number 2. This one needed 50. So we're still not done, but that's all right. This one's from Budgeting with Bree, $14.87 on Ko-fi. And then we have 75 cents going into number 3. So we can, this one's from Greta at Agape Book Club. So we can finish off the second row. So we're halfway there. All right, we have 50 cents going into number 4. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So cute. So that's 50 cents. Love it. Oops. Throwing prop coins around. Ooh, 5 got 75. This one is from Budget with Carly. So close, but not quite. So 25, 50, and 75. So this is 25 more cents, and this one will be done. It's adorable. Little candy corn bat. All right, and then number 6 is getting 25 cents. This one's from Pink Plum Budgeting. 1 more square. And then number 7 got 75 cents. And that's exactly what it needed. So we finished Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure for $3. We don't have any coins rolling over to the next one, but let's grab one for next time. Let's see, what is this one? Oop, nope. Here, we'll do one of mine. This is free on my Ko-fi. So it's a little Easter one with the bow. So this doesn't get anything, so we'll put that in number 7. And then we have $1 going into number 8. And that's what we needed to finish this one from Savings with Tracy. That's pretty cool. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we finished that one. So let's get another one for 8. Dear Santa, it was the cat. This is from Budget with Tiffany 26. Love it. Her cats would never. All right, number 9 got 25 cents. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. And we'll just do one more of these. So cute. And then number 10 got 50 cents. This one's from Danny at Craft Co Budgets. So we have 25 and 50. So 75 more cents, and this beautiful one will be done. All right, so that's exciting. I don't know if I thought we were going to finish that many today, but let's go back to our minis bank. So we have 4 and 3 and 2, so that's $9. So 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we'll put our prop coins away. And then completed is getting $9. And then we're sticking 3 more challenges there. I wonder if I should just stick those out here, and then I can close it. Barely. All right, guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me again today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're saving along with me. Let me know if it's snowing where you're at. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.